From robust rootstock to the meticulous hand harvest, we ensure every Emerald Harvest avocado meets our premium standard.
The climate controls are stable across all zones.
Confirmed. The misting schedule is holding steady at 70%.
Emitters are clear, flow rate is steady at 1.2 liters.
Confirmed. Spacing looks good on this one too.
The graft unions look secure on this batch.
Confirmed. The climate control is holding steady for transit.
Calibration confirmed. Release pattern is optimal for the Emerald Harvest canopy.
Moisture gradient looks consistent at 65%.
Okay, I am updating the central system. Irrigation adjusted.
Look at this section here. The LAI is lower than expected.
Yes, that correlates with the density map. We should investigate the irrigation in this row.
Look at that density at the 8-inch mark.
That explains the vigorous canopy growth we measured last week.
The trap count on grid 4 is up again. We're seeing a definite increase in the avocado lace bug.
Confirmed. I'll schedule a release for the parasitoids by the end of the week.
Try to keep this one angled out for the light.
Okay, that looks much better now.
Small, specialized industrial gray aerators are deployed to gently loosen the soil. This remedial action
The vegetative stage audit is complete.
They've reached optimal size and strength.
Confirmed.
Macro shots capture the successful transition of the flowers into tiny, pea-sized avocados.
Diameter is 92 millimeters.
Laser confirms the circumference at 289. Growth trajectory is stable.
The oil content is confirmed. The fruit is ready for harvest, ensuring peak flavor profiles.
Oil content confirmed at 25.2%. The emerald harvest crop is optimal. Initiate full mobilization.
We must finalize the sequencing for the pickers here.
Right. Emphasize the gentle handling protocol for the Hass avocados and ensure rapid transit to the facility.
Concentration is steady at 150 ppm.
Looks good, keep it there.
Avocados pass through a non-destructive internal quality scanner to detect defects. This crucial step guarantees
temperature is stable, right on target.
Perfect, we are good to go.
Seal in place. SN 924.
Copy that. Manifest updated. Ready for transport.
Manifest confirmed.
All right, sealing up row 3.
Here's the first crate. Looks solid.
Got it. Scanning now. Looks like the full order is here.
All right, here are your avocados. Your total is $12.50.
Thank you very much.
Wow, this is amazing. Seriously, the best I've ever tasted.
I knew you'd love it. Enjoy.
This confirms the product's core benefit, superior nutritional value and premium quality, a truly health-focused ingredient for you.